All right, are we ready? Okay, we're just gonna push towards those trees. All right, hunt them up, Luna. This way. Going nice and slow. Hold up a little bit. Okay. Here. Oh, be ready, be ready. Seems a little birdie. Rooster, shoot it, shoot it, shoot it. No bird, no bird. Luna. Okay, all right. Luna. Come here. Luna. Here. Hey. Okay. Be ready. Be ready. She's all over one. Rooster! Rooster! Hey! You got that one?
I almost stepped on it.
Hey, good shooting, guys! Hey, Luna, here.
I was gonna take my hat off.
Here, Luna, here. Oh, good work, guys. That's 2 birds. Good girl. Everybody get some shots in? Huh? Get some shots in? All right, okay. Luna, Luna, here. Okay. Wait, Luna, here, 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 here. Luna, here. Here. Sit. So you got shells back in now that we shot a little bit, safety back on?
Safety's on.
Okay. Yeah. She's smelling one. Be ready. Luna. Here. Here. We'll get over there. Okay. Rooster. Hey, there we go. Be ready for more. Reload. Safety on. Luna! Okay, here. That's how it's done. Good shooting. Okay.
Yeah, you definitely do. You just slowed it up for me.
Hey, it doesn't matter if they have heart attacks. That's how I get them. Luna! Come here. Here. Rooster!
I got that one.
Huh?
I got that one.
Yeah?
I'm sorry.
Good.
Shoot, I take care of it.
Good. Good girl.
Come on, you're supposed to say you didn't shoot.
You guys are doing good. Okay. All right, hold up your lines a little bit. You two. Luna.
Oh, Paul, you gotta get one now.
Luna. Okay. Luna. No. We'll get there. Here. Okay. Luna. Luna, here. Sit. How we doing? Good? Good. Okay. This corner is very popular. You can stay there if you want. We're gonna come back. You wanna stay there? We're just gonna push to this corner and then go back that way. They love this corner. What's that?
I was wondering where the dog was at.
Oh. Luna. There, that's one. Be ready. Hope to get lucky on this. Here. You can stay there, Paul. I'm just going to work the other side of this quick. All right, you two, let's go down. There's just a little edge here. Yep. Luna. Okay. No bird, no bird, no bird. Here. Good girl. Here. Here. Nothing?
It might have been just to him.
Okay, Luna. 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 No. I'd say there's a rooster right there. Luna, no bird. Here. I was just going to take you down there. And then I was like, oh shit, she's on it.
Cool.
Hey.
It's fun to watch this dog.
All right, I'm going to take you down here on the mowed path. Alex, I'm going to have you two. So now we're going to push north. So you stay there, Paul. Alex, you're going to go about right in here. Luna. Luna. Luna, here.